What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to change out these puppies right up here. Fluorescent tube lights, okay? So basically, we've got some that are working all right. You guys see that black shit over there? On the end of that one, that's telling me that we might have a little issue going on right here. So what you guys are going to need for this here project, 2 tube lights. And we don't really have good access over here, so I'm going to climb up this pile of shit to get up here. Okay, put you guys right there. Don't mind that noise. Drop something. Okay, so right here, we taking this out. Y'all want to turn the power off for this shit, but I wanted to leave it on so it's not dark as a motherfucker in here. Okay, put that motherfucker down there for later. Same thing on the other one, guys. I'll get you up here closer so you can see it. We're twisting them. Okay, now these are the ends on these things, 2 pins. You got to get them up in them little grooves right there. So hang on, bear with me. Put that bitch down there. Here's our new light. There's our little pins. I'll show you guys a closer one on the other bulb. Push her up in there, and then you twist her like that. Whoop. Looks like we missed the hole over here. Try that again there. Pins in the hole. What the fuck we got going on? I'm gonna set you guys down, sorry. I'll show you guys a better image on the next one. Let's see what happened with that. Grab our other bulb here. Same thing with the pins. Bam. Now you see that? We got that light, that light, that light. We're all cooking now, all right? So if y'all need to learn how to change a fluorescent bulb, tube bulb, these are 4-footers, I believe. There you have it. Brighter than a motherfucker, ready to go. Now we can actually see what the hell we're doing. We need to clean this bitch out, but we're getting there. So y'all stay tuned. If you guys like the content, make sure you like and subscribe to this shit. This is Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. We're always fixing something around the house, don't matter what it is. We'll be making videos on it just because some people don't know how to do this kind of shit. Why would you pay an electrician to come fucking twist 2 bulbs in for you? That's fucking ridiculous, guys. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Bye.